Welcome to October, fellow BeachBum traders. We know that September was kind of a bumpy month, and now we're looking forward to October. And we're going to talk about why you shouldn't fear October. If you are new to our BeachBum trading community, we would highly recommend that you go back and listen to and watch our videos from September in the Game Plans playlist. Hopefully you will learn, and hopefully our existing BeachBum traders found ways to make money, even though September is typically a declining month. We talked about strategies that you can make money whether the market's going up or down or chopping sideways. So we hope that all helps. Now we're going to talk about October and how can we make money during the month of October and why you shouldn't fear October. So I have several articles I'm going to look at briefly, and I'll put the references in the description box below that talk about October and why we don't need to fear October. The first one, it talks about the perception that October is the month of market crashes. And if you read this article and look at the key takeaways, it's a psychological anticipation because of history. Some of the major historical market crashes happen to occur in October, but as we'll see in the further articles, this may be caused by the declines in September and October being blamed for those declines. Not to say it can't happen, but again, we'll see that typically October is not a bad month. And here it says, historically speaking, September has more down markets than October. And we'll see part of this is attributed to what they call the October effect. Back in September, we talked about the September effect, and that markets typically historically decline in September. Now let's look at, okay, in the month of October, what's the October effect? Well, it's a perceived anomaly that stocks tend to decline during October. And again, we can see this is a psychological expectation rather than an actual phenomenon, as the statistics don't support that psychological anticipation. And again, the key takeaways from this article, and again I'll reference this below, is that it's a perception. Okay, so you're going to hear a lot of fear about October, but I'm hoping that you will perceive this as an opportunity, that there's a perception of fear, it's not reality. So that opens up some great opportunities for us. If the markets decline because of that fear, maybe a great opportunity to buy because, again, the markets tend not to be down during October, which, again, is a great opportunity. So just in terms of the months and the historical performance of the months, this is the third article, and it generally goes over all the months, and I'll reference this again. I believe we looked at this in September. We saw August, September. September tended to be historically the worst month. But now if we look at October, we can see October is a nice rebound, and it starts the trend up into the fall through the end of the year. So again, we're looking at a nice rebound. October's typically up, so again, nothing to fear. It looks like a good opportunity to position ourselves for this upturn. You know, at the end of the year, we'll talk about the Santa rally, and that's a historical thing at the end of the year. Again, we'll talk about the trend, but again, we got through September. Hopefully you were able to make money or at least preserve your capital, and now you have some dry powder ready to deploy as the opportunity presents itself in hopefully October. If you watch Jim Cramer, he's been talking about, you know, the late September swoon, the September effect, and we've talked about that again all in the past, all this month in our game plan, so we positioned appropriately. He says the market should bottom based on technical analysts that he works with by possibly as late as October 22nd. So if we happen to see a market decline through the middle to late October, we should see a bottom and a turn back up. And again, turn back up into the end of the year, which would be great. Great opportunity. Another major event that is probably going to weigh on the markets right now is the discussions in the legislature and the Congress that they have to raise the debt ceiling by October 18th, or they risk a government default. They did pass a funding bill. I don't remember the exact date, but I believe they funded the government through early December. So we shouldn't have a shutdown due to that, but they have to raise the debt ceiling, or I believe there is still a risk of a government shutdown. So we'll see some of the effects of these discussions in the futures and the indices, but I believe that that may be a cause for some fear in the markets until that gets resolved. So we'll talk about that more in a minute. So since we talked at the beginning of this game plan that we may have to wait several weeks into October for the markets to really bottom, stabilize, and turn back up, let's talk about some strategies about how we can make money while we wait for the market to bottom and turn back up. Again, we expect October to be a good month, but it may take till the end of October for it to turn positive. So what do we do in the meantime? Well, one of the things we talked about is that we have earnings reports, and earnings season is again starting this week on October 4th. And one of the things we've made some of our best trades is on irrational reactions to earnings reports. So if you hear on CNBC or see in the news that somebody reports earnings and the market reacts irrationally, it drops on positive earnings, or the earnings weren't really that bad and the reaction was overly negative, and it's dropped below or hit a support level and it's something you wanted to buy, that's a great opportunity. Again, we've taken advantage of those in things like IBM, Bud, Cody, GE, etc. over the years. So listen for irrational reactions to earnings reports and see if you can take advantage of that. Dividend paying ETFs and stocks, particularly monthly paying ETFs. You know, we like in our long GLDI and SLVO, which are the Credit Suisse ETNs that pay monthly on gold and silver. And we just let them sit there and pay out monthly, and when gold and silver rally, you know, we can cash those out. Also monthly paying REITs. As we just mentioned, we went along both O and LTC. O is a general REIT, LTC is senior housing, nursing facilities. We like the healthcare based REITs. They pay monthly, better than inflation. Again, these are also good for increasing inflation because their dividend rate is over 2%. So again, we like the healthcare sector REITs. I'm not real positive, not bullish on the mortgage-backed REITs at this time because, in my humble opinion, I think the mortgage-backed, the housing sector REITs have probably topped out already. As we've talked about several times, you know, we're continuously scalping the VIX. When the VIX drops down to 16 or below, we're looking to long using UVXY, and then short it when it spikes above 20 somewhere, 20, 24, 28, etc. Also, you know, every week we look at the commodities, we look at the futures and look for opportunities. Is somebody overextended, an opportunity to short? Is somebody bottoming, opportunity to long? That's why we look at those futures, is for these, you know, outsized opportunities to scalp. So, you know, right now we're looking at scalping oil using, particularly shorting at this point using drip, but if you If it were to drop precipitously, we'd go long using USOI, which is again a monthly paying Credit Suisse fund, or we can just long it using Gush, which is the inverse drip. Same way we talked about scalping nat gas. Right now we're looking to short nat gas using cold, but if nat gas drops precipitously, we can go long nat gas using boil. And you know, we've talked about and will provide additional ETFs to long and short the commodities. We have our list here for the indices, the commodities, etc. So again, you can scalp any of the indices. You know, you want to look for a decent move for a decent profit on the scalp to justify the risk. But if you want to long any of the indices, you got UPRO, TQQQ, UDOW, URTY for the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow, and Russell, respectively. And the inverse of those to short is SPXU, SQQQ, SDOW, and SRTY to short them. So again, there are plenty of opportunities even while we're just waiting. If the market's chopping around, we're waiting for it to bottom and turn up. There are plenty of opportunities to make money in the markets, whether the market's going up, the market's going down, the market's chopping sideways. Every day there's an opportunity to make money, and we hope that you see that. We hope that we're helping you see that and helping you take advantage of that. So thank you again for watching this video to the end. I know there's a lot of material, it's kind of long, but I hope you find it valuable. Please let us know in the comments below. Please smash the like button. If you're not already subscribed, we hope you'll choose to subscribe and share this video with your other fellow traders. Click the bell icon to be notified of future videos, and we wish you the best of luck and have a great trading week. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the beach bum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level
allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our um, trade positions initially in our Discord. And again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration.
Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.